Have you ever scrolled through your feed, feeling a little down, and suddenly a heartwarming video of a puppy pops up and completely changes your mood? Or maybe you were feeling anxious and a calming nature documentary appeared in your recommendations. It might not be a coincidence. What if I told you there's a powerful force at play, something I call the emotion hacking algorithm? It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, doesn't it? But it's becoming more and more a part of our daily reality. Think about it. Every time you like a post, share a video, or even just pause for a few extra seconds on a piece of content, you're sending a signal. You're teaching the algorithms what makes you tick, what grabs your attention, and most importantly, what makes you feel. These platforms, from social media to streaming services, are incredibly sophisticated. They're not just tracking what topics you're interested in, like cooking or sports. They're learning to understand the emotional undertones of the content you engage with. They can distinguish between content that makes you laugh, content that makes you angry, content that inspires you, and content that makes you feel nostalgic. This is the core of the emotion hacking algorithm. It is a system designed to predict and influence your emotional state to keep you engaged for as long as possible. Let's break down how it works. It starts with massive data collection. Every click, every share, every comment is a data point. Then, machine learning models analyze this data to find patterns. They might notice that you tend to watch uplifting videos on Sunday mornings, or that you engage more with politically charged content late at night. They learn your emotional rhythm. For example, if you watch a sad movie, the algorithm might predict you'll be more receptive to comforting or funny content afterward. It's a constant feedback loop. You react to content, the algorithm learns from your reaction, and then it serves you more content tailored to your predicted emotional state. This has some amazing upsides. Imagine feeling stressed after a long day at work, and your music app automatically creates a playlist of calming, ambient tunes. Or when you're feeling unmotivated, your feed shows you inspiring stories of people who overcame great challenges. In a way, these algorithms can become a sort of digital companion, learning your moods and providing a bit of comfort or a much-needed laugh right when you need it. It can help us discover new hobbies, connect with communities that share our passions, and even find content that helps us learn and grow. When it works well, it feels like magic, like the internet just gets you. However, there's a darker side to this that we absolutely need to talk about. The primary goal of these platforms is not your well-being, it's your attention. And strong emotions, both positive and negative, are incredibly effective at capturing attention. This is where emotion hacking can become problematic. Have you ever heard of the term rage baiting? That S when content is deliberately designed to make you angry or outraged because those emotions drive high levels of engagement, comments, shares, and heated discussions. The algorithm learns that this type of content keeps you glued to the screen, so it serves you more of it. This can create a dangerous cycle. If you're constantly fed content that makes you angry or anxious, it can genuinely impact your mental health and your perception of the world. You might start to believe the world is a much scarier or more divided place than it actually is. It can pull you into an echo chamber, where you only see opinions that confirm your existing beliefs, and a filter bubble, where you're shielded from different perspectives. This can make it harder to have productive conversations with people who think differently and can deepen social divides. The algorithm isn't malicious. It's just doing its job, which is to maximize engagement. But the side effects can be quite damaging to both individuals and society as a whole. So, the big question is, what can we do about it? How do we take back control of our own emotional landscape? The first and most important step is awareness. Simply understanding that the emotion hacking algorithm exists is a huge part of the solution. When you're scrolling, start to pay attention to how you feel. Ask yourself, Why am I being shown this? How is this content making me feel? Is this feeling productive, or is it just draining my energy? Once you're aware, you can start to be more intentional with your digital habits. Curate your feed actively. Don't just passively consume what's given to you. If a piece of content makes you feel bad, don't just scroll past it. Use the "show me less of this" or "not interested" buttons. Unfollow accounts that consistently post rage bait or negative content. On the flip side, actively seek out and engage with content that uplifts you, inspires you, or teaches you something new. Follow creators who promote positivity and thoughtful discussion. By doing this, you're essentially retraining the algorithm. You're teaching it what you truly value, not just what grabs your attention in the heat of the moment. Another powerful strategy is to take regular digital detoxes. Set aside specific times during the day or week to completely unplug from your devices. Go for a walk, read a book, talk to a friend face to face. This helps reset your brain and reminds you that there's a whole world outside of the algorithmically curated one on your screen. It breaks the cycle of constant emotional stimulation and allows you to reconnect with your own, uninfluenced feelings. It's also crucial to remember that your mental well-being is paramount. If you find that social media is consistently making you feel anxious, depressed, or angry, it's okay to step away. It's okay to seek help. Talking to a friend, a family member, or a mental health professional can provide support and perspective that no algorithm can. Your emotional health is far more important than any number of likes or shares. The emotion hacking algorithm is a powerful tool. It can be used to bring us joy and connection, but it can also be used to manipulate our feelings for profit. The future isn't about getting rid of these algorithms. They're here to stay. It's about learning to navigate them wisely. It's about becoming conscious consumers of content, making deliberate choices, and prioritizing our own well-being above platform engagement. By understanding how our emotions are being hacked, we can reclaim our autonomy and ensure that technology serves us, not the other way around. So next time you're scrolling, take a moment. Notice what you're feeling, and remember, you are the one in control. You have the power to shape your digital world into a place that supports you rather than drains you. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this interesting, consider liking this video and subscribing for more content about how technology is shaping our world. Stay mindful, and I'll see you in the next one.